Okay, this will be a standard one, what I was showing, T16FW, that one. These two will require again ABAP related changes. Okay, this is a standard one. Okay, whatever we maintain, if I select one means that particular workflow has to be set up there. Okay, then only the workflow will be triggered. Okay, so here, okay, whatever we data maintain, this will be one. Okay, the selection there. Okay, it will be maintained. Okay, now if I, yeah, let me create the requisition now. Okay, it should trigger list strategy now at the item level. Okay, material quantity 710, purchase group 001. Okay, so you can see release strategy is triggered here. So our class is one. Okay, is release PR, so its status is blocked. Okay, so approver one is currently okay. The status, once this is done, it will go to approver. Okay, so this is how the release strategy will be triggered. Okay, here, okay, let me change this to 002. Okay, it should same. Okay, because the plant is same and this is also there in the group. Okay, it will come, so there won't be any change. Okay, if I select 003 here, you can see now if I click on check, so release strategy goes, because for 003 and this plant combination, okay, means as per the classification, right, the characteristics, we have given purchase group and plant. Purchase group we have given 001, 002, and plant we have given 1710. This is criteria is matching, this criteria is not matching, right? Because of that it goes. Okay, if all the criteria has to match, then only the release will be triggered. Now I am selecting 002, it should come back. Okay, see it come back. Okay, any doubt or question?
Practicing, then only it will come.
Yeah, right. And also here to release it, right, means to approve it, uh, we have what is that? Oh, two ways. One is like itemized release, overall release, I said, right? And one is let me remember, I think it's individual release and collective release. Okay, so individual release is nothing but okay, uh, only one PR I can release at a time, one PR or PO. Okay, so collective release is nothing but at a time. Okay, consider there are 10 PRs which are ready for release. Instead of release one, okay, I can do 10 at a time. 10 PR or 10 PO I can release at a time. Okay, this is uh, many PR and PO. Okay, this item wise overall release, this is something related to triggering of the release strategy. Okay, but to release this one, okay, this is one PR, right? This one PR, if I want to release individually means I have to go to individual release. If there are 10 PRs, then instead of going one by one 10 times, I can go to collective release and I can release with my release code. Okay, this one. Okay, so for that we have the T code. Okay, show you. Yeah, before that, let me save this. Okay, save and get the number. Yeah, release. Yeah, you can see ME54N is individual release. Okay. If I go here, individual release means one document, right? So it gives us one document. Okay, I think 121, right? Yeah, 21 is ours. Yeah. So like this, one document will appear. You can see here, we can release option will be there. Okay. In this release T code only, we can get this. Okay, this one I can release. So it will status will come green. So even though it is blocked, why? Because until unless two approvers approve it, okay, this should not change to uh, RFQ or PO. Okay, so this is item wise release. Okay, in collective release, what I will do? Okay, I released only one. Okay, go back. Okay, what I will do? I will go to collective release. Okay, here it should not give us the PO screen similar to PR screen, right? So it gives us the code. Okay, my code is C2. With C2, consider if there are 100 PRs. Okay, all the PRs will come. Okay, I remove other release this one. Okay, sort indicator. So it gives us based on the purchase requisition item. If there are more than one item, okay, it lists in the same sequence. Okay, so here release for release requisition. Yeah, so all it has to give us. So like this, it gives us all number of PRs which are available for release. Okay, then I will go and select here. Select all. All will be selected. At a time, I can release here. Where is the release button? Source of supply. This one. No. Okay, this is deletion indicator. Select all. I think we have to save it. And this later save that. Okay, I have to select all, and I think I need to save again because uh, in the initial screen only I gave the code, right? Which code I need to use to release, right? I have to select and I need to save. I don't see any other flags. If there will be a flag will be available, okay. The flag is not there, okay. Just because save button is already activated, okay. Just save it, okay. It should do the release, okay. Let us go and check because in previous this one I released only one, right? ME53 and so now both should have been green. Yeah, see here. So yeah, see row 2 is also released. So okay, even it is released, right? I can go and reverse the change, and that is also possible. Okay, can go to, let me see whether it will allow. Yeah, so I can release the change. So I can make it. I can also take the reverse decision also. Okay, until unless before it creates a next document. Okay, follow on document. I need to do that. Okay, so save it. So I can reverse the decision. Okay, that is also possible. But one disadvantage of this collective release is here because you saw it, right? I can only, it allows to only save. I don't have any other option. Okay, here I can only do approve. I cannot reject it. Okay, but in case of normal individual release, right? I can also reject it. Okay, I did it right. Similar way, I can also reject it or reverse it. That is possible here. Okay, in individual release. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Okay, so you see here after both are released, this particular the release indicator got changed. See here becomes blocked. If I remove it, it's changed to RFQ purchase order. Now I can create purchase order for this. Okay, if I block it, even one, if I try to create the requisition, okay, on the purchase order, So me21N. So I can enter the PR here directly. Okay, here you can see purchase requisition, right? I can enter here, can enter the item. So just are I need to maintain supplier. Okay, maintain the supplier. Mainly procured internally. Released 53 and it is not released. Okay, yeah. This is because I think last class we have deactivated workflow, flexible workflow. Okay, because of that it is allowing me to create purchase order. Okay, so generally in a real scenario we'll have this workflow activated, right? Of the workflow what we create here, right? So this is normal workflow. So yeah, this agent and this one as per the HR data they maintain it for this combination, right? So this is not there, and also yeah, flexible workflow purpose requisition. Yeah, maintain client dependent configuration and request scenario activation. See, yeah. See, these are all workflow numbers. You can see this is completely a technical this one. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, what workflow is triggered. Okay, in the back end in the program it is defined. Okay, by the workflow consultant. Okay, based on which this particular scenario, okay, which scenario is triggered to our flow, okay, that will be decided by the workflow consultant. Okay, this here, and here we have to activate the workflow. Okay, here it is. Yeah, for our document type is NB, right? Yeah, our document is NB. Okay, okay, right. For our NB document type it is deactivated. Okay, check, this is for the overall release, this flexible workflow scenario paste, yes, but scenario is deactivated. I'm not sure it will work because your scenario I'm not sure, okay, which scenario our flow will be used. Okay, 34 is active anyone. Okay, let us see works or not now. So let's go back 21 and so supplier. You can see so purchase requisition is not approved for ordering. Okay, because of this we are getting this. So even in this case, what we have to do, even maybe after approval, right? Let me try to approve both. Okay, it's ME54N, right? ME54N for individual release. Okay, we try to approve both. Display is going to this. Okay, it is under, we are using that PR right here. So we have to go come out. Okay, go back to M54N. Okay, release it. Strategy. Release 21 only, right? Yeah. See, once I activate this flexible workflow, right? This is scenario related workflow, right? Once I activate this, okay, the normal release strategy which I used it, right? Release procedure that has been deactivated. Okay. In S4 HANA, we have two workflows. Okay. One is the workflow which is available here. Okay. Here, the release procedure here, this one. If I use release strategy for this workflow will be used. Okay. This will be set up by again workflow consultant. Again, similarly here, this if I activated the workflow for normal requisition, right? Here, if I go on display, okay, the PR, we do not see any release related tabs. Okay, it disappeared when I activated it. Okay, no, even if I display normal PR, okay, MA53N, it should not come. Yeah, here it is coming. Come. Oh, yeah. So in the display it is coming. Okay, but I cannot release using this release MA54 and related to release procedure, right? So here that, okay, now it is coming. That time it was not coming. Okay, let me release it. Yeah, it is not covered by list strategy. Yes, because this workflow is activated, right? Flexible workflow. Okay, this will not be useful. Okay, if active workflow, flexible workflow is active, okay, the list strategy will not work. Okay, in that case, what it will do, it will ask us to configure the similar thing in the SAP Fiori app. There's a Fiori app available. Okay, workflow, manage workflow for the PR and PO. There we have to similarly the criteria as we given right here in the SPRO. So what are the thing? It is like purchase group and plant. Okay. Similarly, there we cannot give multiple this one. Okay. Because it is not as flexible as the release strategy. Okay. We can give only some of the fields. Okay. Similar to the without classification. If that is activated, this will be deactivated automatically. So that is the reason. Okay. So now let me deactivate this and completely remove it. Okay, came out of that SPRO. Threats management. Just saying. The flexible workflow I could have shown now, but is anybody informed? Institute, let me check. Yeah, no, it's not. So URL determination failed. Okay, the Fiori is not working. Okay. So here it is there. It's procedure. Procedure cannot to deactivate this. So let me deactivate this. Okay. Go back. 54. Okay, now it will allow. So now I can convert this PR to PO. Okay. So this is about the release strategy. Okay. Now for the PO you can try. Okay. The only change is like the table will change. Okay. You can try with the other fields. Okay. Other than purchase group and plant, you can also use plant and material group. Okay. Okay, like that you can try, and you can also try the value. Okay. Value. Here the value is there. You can also do it with the vendor, okay, purchase organization. These are the important things, okay, which generally client will use, okay. Purchase org. Generally, purchase group will be used because mainly it will be based on the buyer and seller, okay. Will be mostly used by all the clients, okay. The plant purchase group and value also, okay. The total value of the item, okay. This one they used GSWRT. Okay, this is for the this one, okay. Even for CKKO, so yeah, these are the options, okay. So purchase group, company code, document category, order type also you can select. Based on order type also you can do brand material group, okay. So these are available. Okay, you can try by your own. Any doubt?
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, in the Fury app, whatsoever these changes it makes.
Yeah, yeah. If that is working, flexible workflow also we could have completed it. There, what happens? I think we can give our user ID directly. It will come to our inbox. Okay, because here in normal strategy we need to have the user ID, those kind of thing. Okay, uh, that has to be done by them. This flexible workflow is easy. Okay, we can configure and it comes to inbox. I can directly approve there itself. Okay, so that you could have shown. Let us see in the next class that one. Okay, so this you can try. Okay, with the PO. Okay, similar way creating. Okay, also one thing, right? In one thing I wanted to say in SPRO, right? While creating new one, what you have to do is let me go to purchase order path. Let me see whether the same thing which is captured there or not. Purchase order, this procedure, text, not this one, this procedure, this group. Okay. Okay, I think purchase order is different. Yeah. So if you want to try for PR, right, what you can do is if you want to create your own, okay, then first you have to delete it, okay. Not here. Yeah. So release existing one and create your own, okay. Or you can create new class, you can assign it here, okay. That is also okay, not an issue, okay. Your thing will come into picture here. Whatever the criteria you consider in the class, right, that will exist, okay, come here, okay, just to try. Or you can delete everything, whatever the data is there, and you can create by your own, okay. That is also. So this is generally in demo system, it will be like that. In normally in the production system, so we can create the new one, okay. In the demo system, sometimes it will give an error, okay, if that is there, okay. That's why. Okay. That thing, let me check. Procedure. Okay, that's done. Okay. Can we continue till 9 or we can stop it? How?
It's almost 2.5 hours. I think it's better to
uh,
stop. And are we covering this